economic growth has fallen short of expectations in the 3 months to September as consumers failed to spend their income tax cuts. The Treasurer has declared the economy is remarkably resilient, though, in the face of challenges. Labor argues it's deteriorating on the government's watch.
One set of figures, two very different reactions.
The economy, as shown by the numbers today, is being remarkably resilient.
We've got below average growth from a below average government.
The economy expanding by 0.4% in the September quarter, weaker than the expectation of 0.5%. Year-on-year annual GDP growth now sits at 1.7%. The economy now in its 29th year of record-breaking growth, supported by booming exports and government spending. But the drought is taking its toll on the value of Australia's agricultural production, while household consumption fell to its lowest level since the global financial crisis.
We would like to see consumption to be higher, there's no doubt about that.
These national accounts today are a total humiliation for Josh Frydenberg and Scott Morrison.
The government will be hoping consumer spending picks up over the Christmas period, but the Treasurer is putting a positive spin on the unwillingness of Australians to spend amid criticism the government's $8 billion in income tax cuts haven't boosted the economy as much as they would have hoped.
If people pay down their debt, then ultimately in the long run they will have lower interest payments, and that will free up more money to spend across the economy.
It's confidence and the cratering in confidence that's increasingly hurting the economy itself.
After running primarily on a platform of strong economic management, the Prime Minister was quick to defend a key area of policy, hitting back after Labor accused him of wrongly predicting the national accounts would improve from the June quarter.
How did the Prime Minister get it so wrong?
September quarter this year was higher than September quarter last year. Now, I know the Leader of the Opposition is not economically literate, Mr Speaker.
The government's own forecasts may need to be rewritten to reflect the sluggish growth, but the Treasurer is refusing to say whether growth forecasts for 2020 will be revised down when he unveils the mid-year budget update in a fortnight's time. Eliza Edwards, Sky News, Canberra.